They say one of the largest birds to have ever roamed the earth was the Dromornis stratoni, which flapped its wings in Central Australia over 15 million years ago. It is estimated to weigh as much as 450 kilograms. The Australian birds of today have diminished in size dramatically, but in many ways still carry a comparative weight. This is their story.
Shut up! Stop!
After exchanging formalities, the birds all take a seat. They take turns in passing around a wooden block with a picture of a dodo on it. The dodo, in remembrance of species past, and the four sides of the wooden block is to symbolise the four chambers of the heart that all birds possess. Whoever holds the block speaks.
Birds of a feather, flock together! Birds of a feather, flock together!
Damo the seagull is first off the block. He speaks of his struggle with addiction.
Guess what people call a junkie? I'm addicted to chips. I know I've been seeing a lot of fast food shops now. They've got some fancy stuff that they're doing with their chips. I like this garlic revolution they've got with the mayonnaise. I don't know if it's good for me, but the chip isn't it? So it doesn't really matter, does it? The vet's saying it's no good for my health. It's eating out my insides. You know, people often ask me, ever get a chip that's too hot? No. Oh, look at that. That's it, I'm getting the shakes for the chip.
Well done, mate. Well done. Lab the parrot talks of his struggle.
When I was young, I must have been about 2 years old, this vet came. He clipped both my wings and they never grew back. I mean, look at it. It's supposed to be this, but it didn't work properly. Stop it! Stop! I'm the only bird who cannot fly! And you're all up there and you're all, I can fly, I'm so high. I hate humans! They're cancerous! They want to control us! Actually, it felt really good.
Maria the white dove is an nymphomaniac.
I love mating. I had a threesome with 2 sparrows once. I mean, I can see it's become a bit of a problem, especially being a white dove, symbol of purity and sacredness. I mean, it's ruined my career. Apparently nobody wants a little slut being released on their wedding day. I'm just trying to find that male bird that will just, I don't know, love me the way that my father didn't. I am a little bit worried because, I mean, obviously I'm not completely clean. You know, down there.
Marcus the pigeon is racked with pain after the loss of a partner.
We love to go flying together. We just love to fly. We didn't notice a Boeing 747 coming in to land. It was too late for Daisy. She, we're gonna lay eggs in the spring. Daisy's feathers. She's everywhere, though. The blood-soaked feathers. The engine just belching down the... Shh.
Andy, the pink flamingo, speaks of the difficulty of not being gay.
I'm not gay. And I'm a pink bloody flamingo. I actually, funnily enough, do like a lot of things that are associated with the homosexual community. Ballet, musicals, Kylie Minogue, golf. I found I've actually had to remove myself from all of my favourite things. Sound of Music, quote there, my favourite things. I just can't be me in my head. I know I'm straight. It's just good to come here and talk about it.
Charlie the rooster has an impotency problem.
I live in a roost with thousands of beautiful hens, like these sexy, sexy chicks in their prime. I should be just like, pow, pow. Won't even have to lay an egg on my chest. I'm just a cock with a dodgy cloaca. I know my days are numbered. I'm gonna end up in an oven, plucked. At 180 degrees, maybe 200. Potatoes, maybe a bit of steamed broccoli, carrots, couscous stuffing, pine nuts, a little bit of seasoning.
Matty the blackbird cannot feed his child Midge. He's brought him along today in an attempt to solve the issue.
I know you think that I'm a bad father. And no. I know that he doesn't look great at the moment. Hell, I'm not looking great. I'm losing feathers by the minute. I can't feed my own fledgling. The vet said that his mum hadn't made it, and when he hatched, I just hated him. When his mother became pregnant, it was tough. We were having tough times. I hate her, and he is her.
He needs you, mate.
No, he doesn't.
Feed him, Mitchie.
No, I can't.
Hock it up!
He needs you so much.
He loves you.
That's it. He needs you.
Yes! Come on, mate! Come on, mate! Come on!
A wise bloke once said, a bird doesn't sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song.
Flock together! Birds of a feather! Flock together! Birds of a feather! Flock together! Birds of a feather! Flock together!